friends, welcome to my channel. JoAnn Barrandey here. I'm a crafter, I'm a decorator, and I'm a Dollar Tree shopper. Friends, today I have just a small haul for you from Dollar Tree. I found some items on my wish list this weekend, and I also found some items that were new to me that I'd like to share with you. So with that being said, let's get started. The first thing that I want to show you on my wish list that I found were the serving trays. Friends, oh my gosh, these are a bargain for $1. I actually found, I picked up 5 of them. They had a lot of them. They had about 12. And I wasn't greedy. I only picked up 5. And I'm going to have to show you what I'm going to be doing with them. Okay, that was the main thing on my list. Another thing, my friend Kaylin from Crazy Days of Kaylin, I think is her channel, picked up these little mermaid spoons. She had hauled them earlier. They are so cute. They're in the baby section. I picked up 2 sets. Friends, these would be great to use for dipping and for your fruit dip. That's what I'm going to use them for. I thought they were adorable. They're in the baby section, and I have been looking for these for quite a while and finally found them. That was another thing on my wish list. Another thing on my wish list was this trifold pill and storage box. This, my friends, is a must. This thing is so unique. I'm not going to use it as a pill box, but it can be a jewelry box. You can put your stuff in to travel, your necklace over here. Look at all these compartments. This is too cool. I can't open that one right now. But friends, look at all the individual compartments that it has. Voila, you're done. You're ready to throw it in your backpack, your purse, or your suitcase. All right, next, I know I had hauled these before, but my friend Vicky from Midland, Texas just loved them, so I sent them to her for Mother's Day. But look, friends, not only did I find the pink ones, I found the turquoise ones. Score. These are so comfortable. Had to have those. And another thing on my wish list were the little small pineapples that light up. I only found 2, but I was so happy. I also found, oh, a cute little kitty mat. Look at that. How adorable is that for my little cat's food bowl? Precious for $1. It's really, really thick. I really like that. I think my kitty cat will like that too. And friends, look what I found in the toy section. Look, the puzzle. This is a 48-piece puzzle of like the Dia de los Muertos picture. It is too cool. And this big pieces, I think I can handle that. But meanwhile, I also found another one that has 2 puzzles in one. This ought to be fun I hope they're separated when you open them up for each puzzle. But anyway, I really like that one, and I'm going to attempt it. 240 pieces. Then I found this one, and I had seen someone haul this one before, and I just fell in love with this one. I'm going to attempt this one as well, and it is one of those 480 pieces for 2 of them. All right, let's see. In the toy section, I ran across this Play-Doh kit, and I'm not going to use a Play-Doh, but what I'm going to use the this gadget here to make my little fake out of the dough, my little fake sprinkles. It's got all kinds of little patterns, but each one of them has a little circle, and the circle can be a long strip, and you can cut it to make it a fake sprinkle for my fake cupcakes and cakes. And then, friends, I finally found it. Car de asada, the little taco car. I just loved it. Vroom, vroom, Eric. I got one for Eric as well. I thought this was real cute. Now I'm looking for the donut one, friends. They didn't have that one, but I'll keep searching. All right, I also ran across this cute set of little plastic chairs. I think these would be great for a tier tray. I had an idea what to do with them on a tier tray at Christmas. So I'll have to spray paint them a different color, but I thought these were pretty cool. It's something you don't see all the time. Alrighty, next I found in the cosmetic aisle headbands. Look at these pretty pearl headbands. I've got a black one on and I just fell in love with these. Now they had a leopard one, but because I saw it and the lady in front of me had it in her cart, but they didn't have any more. Of course they ran out of them. I would really love a leopard one. But friends, you got to be careful when you pick these out. Make sure that they're inside the ribbon, because this one wasn't, and I had to hot glue it. But for $1, friends, these are a must as an accessory. And look at this one. This one's going into friend mail. It's pink pearls. Is that not cute? For $1. Can't beat that. Okay, I found a Maybelline lip liner pencil in kind of like the natural color. I also found the L'Oreal Metallics eyeshadow. I picked up these 3. I could not believe it. Finally came to a store near my area. And I picked up this Wet n Wild, this cushion. It's 4 dark circles, and I need that in my life. And I also picked up some Wet n Wild Coverall foundation. I'm going to give it a try and see how that works. I also found, and this was the only one, this liquid, it's got a glare, liquid lip gloss. Oh my gosh, friends, this is such a pretty color. I cannot wait to try this out. That was the only one that they had. And I bought me some pretty new nails. These are adorable. They're iridescent pink. And friends, these little pointy ones, I don't know. A lot of you like to wear them, I'm sure, but I can't type with them. I can't text with them or anything. I can't wait to take these off. All right, I found something that was totally new to me, hand and nail gloves. You begin with dry hands, clean hands, and you open this and remove the gloves. You put them on. You relax with them on for 15 to 20 minutes, and then remove the gloves. Massage remaining serum into hands. No need to rinse. Oh my gosh, it's supposed to really uplift the skin on your hands. So I'm going to give it a try, and I'm going to let you know if it works or not. I was real excited about these hot and cold iPads. I paid like $12 for a set at CVS last month, so I was real excited to find these. And I also found an under eye massager. Cool. That's for puffiness under your eye. Great. All right, the next thing that I wanted to share with you that I was so super excited about were the cookbooks I found. Friends, for $1, oh my gosh, you cannot go wrong. I collect cookbooks, and I also collect them for my daughter-in-laws. Look at this one, Frosty Treats and More. And look, it's got the, what do you call this, binding? Spiral binding. Mm-hmm. And I just was looking through this last night, and I thought, wow, that was a good buy for $1. And I think the regular price was $12.99. And then this one, Superfood Breakfast. I looked at this one, and it just had a lot of really good, nutritious recipes for breakfast. And I thought this was a good buy. It regularly sells for $9.99, so for $1. And if you're a collector, the Whole Coconut Cookbook. This one is very interesting. This one, vibrant, dairy-free, gluten-free recipes featuring nature's most versatile ingredient, which is coconut. Friends, this one, I picked it up, and I did not know how informative it is and what good recipes it has in it. And who could pass this one up? Super Easy Sweets, 69 really simple dessert recipes. You cannot go wrong. This is going to one of my daughter-in-laws that loves to bake. Then, friends, and let's see the regular price on this. Well, it's covered up, okay. And then I found this one. It says, The Book of Dangerous Cocktails, Adventurous Recipes for Serious Drinkers. I just thought that was interesting, and I just thought I'd pick that up for $1. It regularly sells for, well, it's covered up. It doesn't tell you.
Sounds like my kind of book.
I know. Friends, if you're into collecting cookbooks, like I said, I collect them. My daughter-in-laws do too. The Dollar Tree, I know it's a hit and miss, but check their book out. I hit the jackpot on those this weekend. I could not believe it. Other items briefly that are new to me. Oh, look, this was my motto when I retired. They asked me what was I going to do. When I retired, I said, I'm going to eat, drink, and be merry. What do you think, folks? This was so cute. This would have been so cute on a wreath, but I'm not going to get to it this year. I just thought this would be cute to have in general. New to me were these pot holders and oven mitt. It says, wine is my favorite fruit. Look at this, friends. Are these not adorable? They're really, really thick. The oven mitt is. And they had the matching little cutting boards. They had the round one and they had the square one. Too cute, friends. Just think about it. The oven mitt, the pot holders, and the little cutting board, and a bottle of wine in a basket. Score, you've got a gift. All right. And I also picked up some of these clear ones because I'm going to be using these little round cutting boards for a Christmas project. So if you want to craft with me, pick a couple of those up. And, oh man, tell you, they're killing it with their sticker and little novelty things that they have. Look, friends, I know that my kids, when they grew up, they had these pens that they have 10 different colors of ink in them. You just press down and a different color comes up. Oh, so nostalgic to get one of these. I had to have it. So I think that these were even around when I was a teenager. I cannot remember. And look, this is going in my friend mail. This girl can. It's this pen, and you can change the messages on it. Girl boss. That's all of us, I think. You go, girl. Girl power. This is so cute. Pick that up. And look at these cute little, these are for blank notes. Oh, I just thought these were so cute for friend mail. Then I got this little notebook, and I thought it was real unique because it's got these plastic dividers with a tab, 3 of them. Just so handy to have. Oh, they're stickers. They're killing it. These Let's planners are a bargain. I picked up 2 different ones. I know I hauled one last time, but these are different. Friends, if you collect these or if you use a planner, these are a bargain. I would go in there and check it out. And then this Lisa Franks. Oh my gosh. My kids, I remember the book fairs came around and they would have these Lisa Franks and the little girls would all go crazy about them. And I just thought I'd pick it up, and whatever I could use for my planner, I'd use, and whatever I didn't, you know, somebody else could use. But anyway, I thought that was a good buy. And I'm a big scrapbooker. And look what I found, friends, for scrapbooking. And their stickers are just amazing. Briefly, I'm going to show you what I found. Look at this. This is great. And I was so excited to find these because I needed that little eye set or set of eyes down there. And then for my friend from Peep This, y'all, look, Cindy. I found these because they reminded me of you, and I got them for you. And of course, my Frugal J with the butterflies. These are so pretty. And oh my gosh, look at these. Beautiful, beautiful. And I picked this up because I thought this was so festive, and on a scrapbook page you can use this banner for a whole page. Oh, it just looks so cute. Anyway, I went wild in there. So let's see, what else did I get? I picked up one more thing that was a bargain. Guys, this flag kit, it comes complete with the little stick and the little, I can't even talk today, I can't think. What am I trying to say? The little bracket and the little post and the little screws and everything for you to hang it up. Look at that for $1. Let's see how big the flag is. I've seen other people haul this, but I've never seen how big the flag is. But it comes with a bracket. Hey, 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 perfect. Look at this. Or you might even use this for a background for your photo booth. For $1, it's amazing.
The flag is
big.
30 inches by 16 inches.
30 inches by 16. It's a little kit. Is that not great? Wow. Well, friends, that's gonna wrap it up. That's about all the damage I could do this weekend at one store. So the manager at our store in Joshua, Texas was so nice. She really came out and was trying to point out new items to me, and I just want to give her a big shout out. And I also want to remind you, it's my birthday month. Yay, yay, I'm so excited. I have a birthday giveaway, but you have to comment on this video. First of all, you need to be 18 years or older. You need to be subscribed. You need to live in the US. Be subscribed to my channel. You have to like this video and hashtag gift card, because I'm going to be giving away a gift card. All right. I also want to give a shout out to my friend at A Day in My World. Oh my gosh, you got to check her channel out. And also Crazy Days of Callan. Oh my gosh, I love my Callan. All right, check those channels out, friends. Meanwhile, friends, I thank you for all your love and support. And like I said, today is a great day to smile and be happy. Love you, friends.